Okay, to stabilize the lift car, I have to take these off and turn them around up against here on both sides. Okay, one side is fitted. Gonna fit another side, then have to adjust rollers. All three of them. Okay, the car is balanced. Next thing, have to fit car top handrail. So we're gonna start fitting these pillows. So one goes there, one goes there, one there, down there, there, and there. Okay, so all the pillars fitted. All the pillars, each one of them is with contact. And the back ones as well. Right, so we can fit crossbars now.